that you're going to see is when she travels. It's that right front leg, and it paddles out. I believe it might be due to an old injury. Yes, I believe.
Do you know any history with it?
I know that she was used in competition.
What competition?
I believe low-level dressage, possibly eventing.
You just walk away. Just trot her away. Come back. So probably you could all really see how poorly she moves. She's really stiff through the shoulders, she's really stiff in back. She looks like she was made up out of 2 rat cars, I think. But the most, even though there's that pattern going in, the most prominent thing was this right shoulder and that left hind working really poorly in a diagonal pattern. So what I'm going to do first is release this, adjust the pull, adjust the low back in this area. Sounds good.
This is after.
She's a curious horse.
Well, this is what we do. We keep her turned out so that at least she's moving.
Just trot her up and back. Just for 5-10 minutes.
The canter.
Yeah.
That would be easier.
Yeah. A lunger as well.
This time?
She's got big problems.
Yes. So this was after one treatment.
Yeah.
This is the after 1 treatment.
Okay, Carl, that's fine, thanks. What we're really looking at is preparing her for a more specific but more focused, changeful treatment next time. That's fine, Carl, you don't need to kill yourself.
Thanks.
Bye now. You all know that horses run on their fingertips, right?
Yeah.
You know that. How old's Tia?
17.
Oh, and do you know what sort of work she's done before?
I believe she did eventing.
No sign of crepitus. That's that clunky, crunchy sound you sometimes get with old horses.
Have you ever been kicked?
Oh yeah, I broke this hand about 6 weeks ago. What a horse did. Not a big kick, just a little sort of love kick. I like to get whoever it is, hand in the horse, just to walk the horse out, so I can see how it tracks up and the back end back simulation.
This is after 1 treatment, but before the 2nd treatment. This is after 1 treatment, but before the end of the 2nd treatment.
But what it also does, it releases some endorphins, so she'll actually feel quite nice in the end. She realises it's good for her. Just walk around with her, she will.
Ooh.
So what are you doing right now?
This is called a neuromuscular technique, which is a fancy way of saying stretching the muscle, but it's more specific than that. You take up tension in the muscle to the point where there's an equal resistance, and you just hold that pressure, and eventually the muscle releases, starts to soften, and at that point you can let go. The technique's over.
So it's just basically the muscles relaxing?
Yeah. The subclavian muscle is so involved in the poise of the head that it very rarely gets a rest. So it becomes quite tonic, quite toxic. A lot of the byproducts of metabolism hang around in the muscle. The muscle gets quite fibrotic and tough and loses its suppleness, and this is a really good technique of releasing that.
So
Also
basically
a good
like
way
your
of
hand
working
is
into the
just in
pole
there?
as well. Yeah, it's just softening it.
Oh. Yeah. I think she likes it.
Yeah, they don't mind it too much.
Does it hurt them?
Far more, yeah. I mean, do that to yourself, that hurts.
Yeah, she seemed to...
It's like the Spock death grip.
She's a lot. I know, but I feel like after now she's not minding it. I know, she's like falling asleep.
That nice soft eye. She's quite enjoying it.
Yeah.
This point I'm kneading here is where the nuchal ligament comes in. That's a big, powerful ligament that runs the entire length of the horse, right from the pole all the way to the tail. It's very tough, not very stretchy material, but it supports the neck. So I hear people talking about getting a good top line. It's really important to be aware of the function of the nuchal ligament. As a horse, it's best to feed horses from the floor if you can, because that stretch and lift this and tone the abdominals.
Oh my god.
Oh, that was cool.
Oh, yeah.
This is after. This is after 2 treatments. And again, this is after 2 treatments. Go ahead, one more time.